everybody, I'm Susan from LV&More. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and please subscribe. If you're returning, thanks a lot for your support. I appreciate it. Today's the 4th of July. Happy 4th to all the US. And we had, in Canada, we had Victoria Day or Canada Day on the 1st. So we celebrated that with fireworks, and I put a little clip of the fireworks. So if you want to check that out, go through my recent videos and give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. I do have an unboxing today. It's an LV item. Took a long time to get it. I ordered this several months ago and finally received it today on the 4th, and it's coming from Edmonton, and it took 10 days shipping to get here from Edmonton to BC. So that seems kind of like a long time, but it's here now, so thank goodness. And let's see what I got. Okay, I got my cutter, and let's see here. And it came in this really huge box. See how big it is? And it's just a small item, so I don't know why they did that, but who knows. Alright, let's see here. What's a good way of doing this? Alright, they seal it up fairly good. Okay. Alright, they package it up pretty nice. See, it's pretty good there. Alright. We have some bubble wrap. Alright, they gave me a shopping bag, so that was nice. Alright. It's a little crumpled up, but that's okay. Ooh, okay. Alright, let's see what she snuck in here for me. Yeah, she's pretty nice. I always give her a hard time, but she's one of the nicer essays. I've had some pretty bad ones, so I appreciate her very much. Alright, so that's the shopping bag emptied out. Alright, it's a little bit messed up, but that's alright. This looks a little better now. It's a little crinkly, but moving on. Ooh, she gave me a catalog number 8. Ooh, that's going to be kind of cool. I'm going to look forward to looking through that. So that's what that looks like. That's pretty nice. Here's my receipt. Everybody pretty much knows what that is. Okay. Okay, Louis. And she gave me another little shopping bag. This is kind of cute. And what did she give me here? Oh. Oh wow, she gave me some perfume samples. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Okay, that's pretty nice. And I think these are from the men's line. Yeah, I believe so. Okay, so she gave me 4 perfume samples from the men's line. So that's pretty cool. All right, stick that over there. And then here's my little order. And she put a little ribbon and a little note card, which is kind of nice. Comes in a draw box. And let's see what I got here. Okay, let's take it out and find out. These are the new dust bags. Okay. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. I got the fuchsia card case. This took forever to get here. Here's all the little tags. And the number for this one is M60703 if you're interested. But this took months and months. I pre-ordered it and it still took forever. And it's $2.40 Canadian. So if you're, see if we can focus it in for you. I'm not really good at this, but I do what I can. I'll leave the information below in case you wanted to order it. But this is pretty nice. It has the mono, and then the fuchsia is on this side. You have one card slot here, one card slot on the other side, and it's actually fuchsia inside, just kind of nice. It's a little heavier than I thought. And let's see here. Says made in, I think it says made in Spain, but it's really hard to see. You get the, I'll be right back here. You can't even see it with the magnifier. That's how. Yeah. I'll leave all the information below once I find out if it's made in France or made in Spain, but it looks like Spain. But you have quite a bit in there, which is kind of nice. So that's what I got. I hope everybody's 4th is great. And please leave any comments below if you want to see anything from my collection or you have any comments. Please leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I answer every single one, so don't hesitate. Alright? Till next time, thanks for watching. Have a nice 4th. Bye now.